Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 17. So today it is absolutely freezing, middle of summer and it's freezing, but that's fine, that's Tasmania for you. So I'm just gonna start by lighting my candle. I want something like really toasty, so I'm going for pumpkin gingerbread today from Bath & Body Works. And I'm going to make myself a hot chocolate because, like I said, it's freezing and yeah. So, I don't know, have I showed you guys how I make my hot chocolates? I think I have. But yeah, I'm going to make one now. Okay, here it is. Looks so good. I'm going to this makes me sad, but I'm going to mix it up so that all the cream and stuff goes in there. You just need the presentation to get a photo and then you mix it up. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna watch a bit of YouTube now. I have some stuff to do for my secret project, so I'm doing that this morning, and then I'll get into doing some editing and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so the rest of the giveaway stuff finally arrived the other day, so it's all here now. So I'm going to open these boxes and I'm going to sort and finalize the last, I think I've only got like 7 more to do or something like that. And then I'll take the photos, or take a couple of photos before I leave tonight so I can upload them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'll just watch a bit of YouTube while I organise them, so yeah. Alright, this is how... I'm just really confused. I just thought I had more stuff and I just don't know where it's gone, and I feel like these just don't look very good. I don't know, I'm probably just putting a bit too much pressure on, but anyway, yeah. So yeah, I guess these should be the finalized ones. There's 7 more to do. I'm just wondering if I should post them in a couple of days and then do one every day leading up to Christmas. So like a week of giveaways. I don't know. I'll figure that out soon, but yeah. Anyway, these are all done now, so yeah, I just need to finish my editing and then I'll probably have to get ready actually. Like, I didn't really realize how close, like how much time consuming everything is. So anyway, yeah, I'll go pack these up and yeah. Oh whoops, okay, so I'm with Sam now. We just got some McDonald's ready for our, oh that's nothing, ready for our road trip. So yeah, we're gonna eat some of this in the car park and then we're gonna go. Okay, so we are here now and look how pretty it is. I'm so excited. Are you excited too?
Very.
Okay, this is our room. It is like absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. The view is like stunning, and then there's a bath in the bathroom, but Sam's just in there at the moment, so I'll show you that soon. But I'm just gonna get the fire started now because it's cold. So yeah. Alright, the fire's all going now. We're just relaxing. It just started raining and it was so pretty. Sorry Sam, just gonna show them. Sam's relaxing. It's just so pretty here, like, look at it. Love it, it's so cool. And then over here's the bath, and so you can, like, you go into the bathroom and stuff and you can open it up so like you can see out here. Oh, it's just so pretty guys, honestly. I highly recommend it. Can't remember if I said or not, but it's called WOODBRIDGE HIDEAWay. So yeah, if you're looking for somewhere to come and stay, definitely recommend. Oh my god, look at it, it's so foggy. But we're just going to the pool now. We have an hour reservation, so I'm very excited. My camera won't focus. Huh? Okay, we're just doing that with a complimentary hour thing. So we have this one, this is really cool. Yeah, we're just probably gonna have a swim. Usually you'd be able to see the view, but it's so oh, my camera's all foggy, but it's so like foggy outside. So yeah, we're just going for a swim now. Oh no, my camera got so foggy, hang on. Alright, we're back from the pool and then we're gonna have a spa. I'm so excited. This bath is so cute. So I'm going to use my Bath & Body Works bath salts, the blueberry shortbread and the blueberry shortbread shower gel. So excited, look how beautiful that view is, like I cannot wait. Alright, here's our bath, and then I just made Sam and I some hot chocolates to have while we're in the bath. We'll probably open up the windows and yeah. So I'm very excited. We're in the bath now and this is the view from the bath. It's just so nice. It's pretty cold to be honest, but it's so cool. Yeah. So Sam and I, actually not Sam, but I just uploaded my YouTube video.
Not Sam.
Well, you didn't upload it. Yes, you gave me more support. So I just uploaded my YouTube video and now Sam and I are gonna watch some in between as well. We have some tea. Sam is cooking us some noodles, ain't you, darling? Yeah. I started, but then I just couldn't be bothered, so Sam finished them, which was very nice of him. So yeah, we're gonna have some tea and watch some Netflix. Okay, so Sam and I have just been watching, oh my god, my face is so red. Why is my face so red? It's because I've been in front of the... Huh?
Nobody sleeps in the woods
now. No, look, my face is so red.
Yeah, no, that's that one.
Oh, thanks. I think it's because I've been sitting in front of the fire, but Sam and I are watching just a horror movie and we've been watching that for the last like hour or so. I think we're about to go to bed now because we're both very tired. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 17. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.